Hey y'all, welcome back to another video where I am actually doing something. So I'm cleaning up Ziyas' room and decluttering. This is a thing that I like to do each year since her birthday is literally a week before Christmas because she's going to get a lot of stuff. I clean up anything old, sometimes I go through old clothes, but I didn't do that this time. I go through that. I go through all the toys that need to be cleaned for one, but if anything doesn't have any pieces, I toss it, get rid of it. She got a new bookcase and had a whole bunch of like Chick-fil-A books, stuff like that. Toss those. But yeah, just getting it all cleaned up, and I'll show you the finished product. If you haven't already, make sure that you subscribe to my channel and make sure that you are commenting and liking my videos. Let me know what you like, if this is a video you like to watch, because it's literally just going to be music in the background, me cleaning, and I might pop out here and there. So hope you like it. See you soon. Bye. So far, we've moved the white Majiggy Bobber, put it over by her window, got her Zaya chair that's cleaner than it was, and we're going to have our easel on the side so if she does want to start using it, it won't, be that big of a deal because she doesn't have a table to really put it on. Her kitchen, I got to find the rest of the dishes inside of this mess. And we got our bookcase over here with the books she actually reads and likes and are more so her age group. So let's keep going because we got to get all of this together and sort the hoopla and put it in there hopefully. And yeah. Where's Elsa here? What? Alright, so this is what it is for right now. You know, everything's not perfect. Didn't make the bed all the way. It's more so I have other stuff I have to do. Wash clothes, blah, 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 blah. Go to the grocery store. But we got our kitchen, arts and crafts, baby stroller, bubble tractor in the corner. We can have a seat with Hello Kitty. Her dog is out in view because she will definitely be like, where's this? Where's that? We've got small miniature toys and other things. This is all dress up. I'm not playing it out. Baby stuff and her dolls and anything that involves dressing an actual action figure. This is meh. Not doing that today. And there it is. New bookcase and all. Did this board for her before quarantine or anything like that happened. And she did pretty good. She's really excited. She liked this, you know, goal-oriented thing. Let me be good, and I'll get stickers and be able to, you know, earn something. She loved it. So, I'm definitely going to do a new one. I'm low-key debating on being cheap and just flipping this board over, but I don't think I could do it today. I don't know if I'm going to have time for that. So, yeah. Definitely give it a try. Let me know if you try it and your kid likes it. Okay, so I'll pause my show. Got a big box here. It's Ziya's birthday now, by the way. This video is going to be like a combo thing. Ziya's birthday, and I got some big box that my dad sent me. I sent him a couple different things and told him, you know, get what you want, dude, because Ziya likes stuff. I'm praying that I don't have to put it together, and of course, I have to put it together. You would think, as big as this damn box is, I wouldn't have to put it together. But whatever. Going to turn my show back on in a second, and I guess fast forward this, but I'm going to show you the picture of what it is. Oh my god, it's heavy. Oh. Because we have a Frozen fanatic, like every other kid ever. Oh. an entire lifetime later, it's together. It took me, I think, an hour. I had to stop because this other phone was about to die. I had to take it back apart twice just to realize that I had this spun the wrong way. This is why you can't put stuff together yourself. Get it already made or pay somebody. Because it's done now. It's done. I'm happy. That's all I care about. So this other phone is about to die. Ziyas Room is a mess again, like usual, but not as bad. I had to move this other stuff that was on top of the old white thing. But this is the finished product. It looks just like the picture, so that's cool. And like more books are supposed to go there, but it took forever to build this myself. Probably just because I don't build stuff often. Sorry, my finger. But yeah, that's what it is. And then I'm just going to leave probably one of these dollar store bins, and then everything else will probably go. Because she doesn't have enough space for her dress-up stuff. She has a lot of dress-up stuff. And I got this from the Goodwill, this white thing. I've had it forever, and it just was in really good condition. Part of me wants to keep it and, like, paint it. But should I hold on to it just to put it somewhere else eventually? Maybe? I don't know. Okay.